Dumbbells. I am lifting dumbbells. Treadmill. I am running on the treadmill. Push-ups. I am doing push-ups. Squats. I am doing squats. Bench press. I am using the bench press. Pull-ups. I am doing pull-ups. Leg press. I am using the leg press machine. Plank. I am holding a plank position. Burpees. I am doing burpees. Tricep dips. I am doing tricep dips. Lunges. I am doing lunges. Warm-up. I am doing a warm-up before my workout. Kettlebell. I am swinging a kettlebell. Deadlift. I am practicing my deadlift technique. Rowing machine. I am exercising on the rowing machine. Resistance bands. I am using resistance bands for my workout. High knees. I am doing high knees. Jump rope. I am jumping rope. Box jumps. I am doing box jumps. Mountain climbers. I am doing mountain climbers. Ab crunches. I am doing ab crunches. Foam roller. I am using a foam roller to massage my muscles. Bicep curls. I am doing bicep curls. Side planks. I am doing side planks. Sit-ups. I am doing sit-ups. Stretching. I am stretching my muscles. Cycling. I am cycling on the stationary bike. Elliptical. I am working out on the elliptical. Battle ropes. I am training with battle ropes. Medicine ball. I am exercising with a medicine ball. TRX training. I am doing TRX training. Sled push. I am doing a sled push. Chest press. I am using the chest press machine. Chin-ups. I am doing chin-ups. Lat pull down. I am doing a lat pull down. Calf raises. I am doing calf raises.